So today we are going to be doing a review and demo of an awesome product. We are so happy to be working with Easy Ink. If you have not heard of them, they are a semi-permanent tattoo company. We were lucky enough for them to reach out to us and let us pick out some awesome designs and try the tattoos for ourselves. And that is what this video is. Really quick, if you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. I put new videos out every single week, and it's that little red button down there. If you click that button and then the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos. And you will occasionally see this beautiful face right here. This is Andrew. Andrew got to pick 2 out and I got to pick 4 out. We will show you Andrew's first.
No?
Yeah. That is his first one. It is like 6 planets in a line. And then his second one is this dragon piece right here. This is after the full 48 hours they recommend to let the ink get darker. The first one that I did was this Imagine one right here, and then the little diamond right here. I also did this flower on my thigh. This one is my favorite. I did this design on my forearm. It's so beautiful, guys. I don't know if you can see the detail, but it has little bead details. I am super pumped at how they turned out. I don't know, what do you think?
I think they turned out pretty well.
If you guys would like to try Easy Ink tattoos, I will have a link down below that you can click on and check out all of their amazing, awesome designs that they have. They have so many.
They have a lot of cool stuff.
And they have from super little tiny itty bitty bitty baby tattoos like my diamond one, and all the way up to like big, large tattoos like his dragon and his planet. But again, I will leave their link down below so you can check them out. Alright guys, so this is a little instructions pamphlet. So when you open it up, you will see steps 1 through 12 inside this pamphlet. And then when you close it, you will see things that you need to read before you do anything with your tattoos. So the second packet that you get is the packet that has all of the things in it that you need to do the temporary tattoo. Using the number 1 enclosed alcohol pad, wipe the area and wait a few seconds to allow the area to dry completely. Then what I like to do is just place it where I want it to go, see if it looks good, and peel the backing away from the tattoo. Then apply the patch. Apply it to an area in its resting position and rub gently. Place the patch on a flat area to achieve the best results. After 8 hours, you're going to peel the red tab back so that you separate the 2 layers of the tattoos and you pull off the top one. Then you're going to use the patch remover and you're going to apply that over the tattoo and then rub it quickly before it evaporates over the whole entire tattoo and remove the tattoo patch gently. And then you're going to use the adhesive remover pad to gently rub any hairlines on the border of the tattoo using the enclosed towelette. And using the soap towelette, you are going to clean the tattoo. Wipe the tattoo design only once in one direction. Then after that, you're going to fold the towelette and repeat. So every time you wipe the tattoo, fold the towelette in half. And then we are just going to repeat these steps to do the other tattoos. They do not test on animals and it is non-toxic.
You have to wear the patch for 8 hours. If you can't dedicate 8 hours to your normal day, we slept in it just fine. Make sure that whatever body part you're putting it on is in its resting position
when you apply it.
When you apply it.
So that is it for this review slash demo. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe down below. I will keep you guys updated if you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on how much longer these last, but depending on your body, it should last anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks. And we will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.